Hi guys! Welcome to my cooking video. So for today's video, we're going to make burong mangga. So ito siya guys. Wait. So for the ingredients, we have the mango. So ito na siya guys, ginadgad ko na siya. Shredded mango. Okay? Green mango or a little bit yellow mango will be good. And then we have sugar. We have a brown sugar, and we have a chili. This is optional if you like to add on spice. And we have garlic. So I already cut the garlic into thin slice, and we have a red onion. It's already thin slice. This is optional also, the red onion. But this will add the flavor in your burong mangga. Okay, for more spice, we add a black peppercorn. So, in Tagalog, pamintang buo. And also, we're going to put a, what do you call this? A salt. Okay, rock salt. This is natural rock salt. And we will add on the vinegar. Okay, any kind of vinegar will do guys, but this one is made in Japan vinegar. Okay, so we'll start on this. Make sure your hand is clean before you peel the mango and you shred the mango like this thin slice. Okay, but this is also optional. If you want more thicker slice, it will do. So we will add on this rock salt. Okay, so how much? About maybe one tablespoon of rock salt. Okay, and then we add sugar. So it will depend on your taste guys. And then we try to mix this, like to melt the rock salt and the sugar. And also you can add on maybe 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of vinegar. So 1. This will serve as your preservative. So ayan guys, 1, 2. It's up to your guys. How much do you like to be it more sour or more salty or more sweet? Okay, and try to mix. Yan guys, gumagalaw. I-mekos lang natin yan guys. Yan, mekos natin. Then while mixing, we can add on the garlic and the bawang. Yan guys. And then, sorry, gumagalaw siya kasi nakaano sa akin yung, yan, imekos lang natin siya, guys. Yan. And then, after that, we'll add on black pepper. So, it's pwede nyong guys, it's up to you. Siguro mga 1 teaspoon. Yan. Pwede rin na durog guys. We can add on wait lang. Ito guys, we add on a little bit of powdered black pepper. So, konti lang. Ayan, kasi konti lang yung ginawa ko na na mango. And mix. Sorry guys, it's moving. Ayan na guys, gawa na siya. Okay, so we can add on the fresh chili. Yan. For color and add on flavor. So that's it, guys. It's finished. We can put it in the dry clean container. It can be a glass jar or this one, plastic. Okay, so just put like this. So this is good for 3 to 5 days, guys, inside the refrigerator. That's it. Your burong mangga. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. I hope, guys, so ayan, guys, this is the result or the finished product. You keep it inside the rep and you can eat it after 1 or 2 hours, and you can keep it in the rep for 3 to 5 days. Thank you for watching my video, guys. See you on my next video. I hope you love it. Bye!